house. It has like its heater on and everything. I'm like, I can't. Who was that?
Get a hold of yourself.
But Mom, wait,
I'm
you're
not your mom.
Oh my God. Okay, I think we can make it. Okay, just lead in the Lord.
And don't forget about the skeleton rapist guy.
What was that? Okay, we're gonna check it out. Okay. This thing is like so scary. Like, oh, it's a mirror. They look good. Oh, what was that?
Whoa.
What was that? Oh.
Jeepers creepers, Shaggy.
Oh my God, where's Shaggy? Oh my God, the lights are off again. Oh my God! Ah! I think I saw something. I felt something on my armpit. Oh my God. Okay. We're going over here. Okay, come on. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna turn on this light. Okay. Gerardo, you check over there. I'm gonna check over here.
Okay.
Okay. Dude, I'm freaking scared right now. Okay. What was that? Oh my God! No, it's Gerardo. He's gonna rape him. Oh my God! Apple! You missed me! I didn't mean that. Ouch! He's a raper too! He rapes people! Ouch! He stabbed me a couple times in the foot. Where's everybody? What was that? Gerardo! Gerardo! Ah! Gerardo! Let us go, and I'll give you the pillow. His half. It's $100.
Hey, no, I'd rather die.
Oh, jerk! Oh my God! Hey, wait, can you stab yourself first? I want to see that. I've never seen it. Oh my God.